Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Sign In to your iPad. This is the practical first move. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and iPad OS is updated, because updates fix sign-in bugs. If you already have an Apple ID, enter your email and password. If not, tap Create New Apple ID and follow prompts. Once done, expect two-factor authentication requests on your trusted device or phone. Keep that code handy so you can continue without delay. Once you enter credentials and the two-factor code, you'll see iCloud and App Store configuration screens. This is where you decide what syncs. Enable iCloud for contacts, photos, and backup if you want automatic device protection and sync. Make sure Find My iPad is on. It helps with security and recovery. Next, check payment and shipping to enable purchases and set up iCloud backup to protect data. These choices affect how Apple services behave across your devices. To finish, confirm iCloud settings and wait for initial sync. Large photo libraries can take time. Make sure App Store and iMessage are signed in with the same Apple ID to avoid conflicts. If the sign installs, try signing out, rebooting the iPad, and signing in again, resetting your Apple ID password via iForget. Apple.com resolves many login failures. If activation or verification errors continue, contact Apple support. They can check your account and push activation if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.